Hey guys, Namaste and a grand welcome to Padma's Universe. So today I'm going to be making a curry leaf chutney, a very healthy chutney and of course tasty because it's a great way to consume curry leaves because we all know curry leaves are filled with numerous health benefits. They are a very rich source of vitamin A, B, C and E. They are great in folic. They are a good source of folic acid. They are a good source of iron, great in treating anemia. So let's get started with this interesting chutney.
To make this super healthy chutney, we need 1 cup of fresh curry leaves, that is Kadi Patta or Meetha neem, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of split urad dal, dry red chilies 2 numbers, a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of fresh grated coconut, tamarind paste about 1/4 teaspoon, some salt to taste. And for the seasoning we need 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let's start by adding oil to the pan. The pan is really hot, it's fuming. I'm using gingerly oil, that is sesame seed oil, because I love the taste of it. And now we need to add the split urad dal. We need to fry this, and once we see the color change, we need to add the dry red chilies. I'm gonna break this into pieces and fry them in the oil. So we need to fry the chilies well, and now we need to add the curry leaves. So I have already washed the curry leaves and patted them dry with the help of a kitchen towel. We need to fry the curry leaves really well until you get rid of all the raw smell, the kacha smell. And now we need to add the tamarind paste and we need to add the grated coconut and again fry this for a minute. So the entire frying process will take at least 5 to 7 minutes. You will know the curry leaves are done when you see it turn crisp, and finally we need to add the salt. You will get an amazing aroma and the curry leaves are done. We need to set this aside and let this cool. The frying has to be done on a slow to medium flame, and now once the curry leaves are completely cool, we need to add this to a mixer jar and grind them. So I'm gonna run the mixer jar without adding water first, and I'll get a very coarse mixture, a dry powder kind of a stuff, and next I'm gonna be adding water. So make sure you add water in small batches and not make your chutney very runny or very watery. It should be of a perfect chutney consistency. So making this chutney is really easy, it just takes a few minutes. So the chutney is almost done. I'm gonna add a little water and one final blend and the chutney is ready. So now we need to season this curry leaf chutney, and which is but optional. We need to first dish the chutney out into a bowl or something. Then we need to heat some oil in a tadka pan. I'm going to be using sesame seed oil again. Crackle some mustard seeds. You can also add split urad dal to the oil, but I'm not going to use split urad dal, only mustard seeds. And that's it. Pour the tadka on the chutney, mix it, and the chutney is ready to eat. The superfood curry leaf chutney is ready, and I love the color of it.
It's tasting time. Actually, you know what? Chutneys should always be eaten with hands, fingers. So very nice. You can customize this chutney according to your taste. You can add more tamarind, you can add more chilies to make it more hot. So it's your taste, your preference. And of course, this is a no onion, no garlic chutney. It's very nice. You can enjoy it with rotis, fulkas, idlis, dosas, even bread. It can be a nice bread spread. Try this out, guys. It's really yum. And I'll see you with yet another interesting recipe. Bye bye and take care.